So this is interesting. Did Harbor Freight, again, just try to copy Dewalt with the Hercules and the Bauer, both 20 volt, just like the Dewalt here. Now, the Dewalt is assembled in America with global materials, whereas the Hercules and Bauer is made in China. All are for 14-ounce grease cartridges and have bulk filling capacity. Now, the biggest difference between the Bauer and the Hercules basically is the length of the hose here. So the grease hose on the Hercules is 48 inches, where on the Bauer it is a 36-inch hose. Now, the Dewalt actually has a 42-inch hose, and the actual profile of the hose is thinner than both the Hercules and the Bauer there. Warranty-wise, these two are 90-day. The Dewalt here is 1 year, and then you have additional couple years of parts service. So when we're talking cartridges, they all, of course, take the 14-ounce normal grease cartridge. All three come with straps so that you can hang it from your shoulder. Of course, the hang point here on the front on each one, and then the Bauer here has a flip-up little hook on top. Same thing with the Hercules, with the Dewalt here having this plate on top you can hook to. All three have a hose holder. Now, I will say I definitely prefer this style over what Dewalt has here. You can easily slide this in here and then latch it in, whereas this one's a little... Again, all three are capable of bulk fill. Now, you can screw the canister out and then pull the grease into the canister, or on the face here you can see there is a plug. You take this plug out and you put a low PSI fitting in here, and this is where you would fill that. The Dewalt is 8 pounds and 0.5 ounces. Hercules at 8 pounds 10 ounces, and the Bauer here at 8 pounds 10.5 ounces. So the Bauer is a little bit heavier, even though it's got a shorter hose, which that's definitely interesting there. But externally, you know, they pretty much look the same between the Bauer and the Hercules. All are supposed to do max PSI of 10,000 with a max volume of 5 ounces per minute. Variable speed triggers on all of them, with, of course, a trigger lock as well. Now, MSRP, this is where things get a little bit interesting. The Bauer is 120, Hercules is 130, and then the Dewalt here comes in at tool only, of course, 230. So definitely a big major price difference. But again, you're getting something that's assembled in America and also comes with a full 1-year warranty. All three actually do have LEDs as well. So if we throw a battery in there, I know it's hard to see on camera, but of course you've got a push button up front here. And then on the Dewalt, we actually have a switch on the front, but we got to power the gun first, and then we can power the light. Now, performance-wise, do they actually reach 10,000 PSI, and what is the actual flow rate? You guys are going to have to wait on that. I'm going to test them out a little bit. Give me a couple weeks. I'm going to also put these against, of course, the other competitors, basically to see who comes out on top. I've been using this snap-on here for years and looking to add another one. Basically, I want to run lithium in one and moly in another. So, of course, that's what started this video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please stay tuned for that testing video. We're going to find out which one truly is the best and worth the money. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on another one.